What if you could design a building just once and then create multiple buildings with completely different features without rewriting your code? One building has a store, another has a garage, and another has a swimming pool on the rooftop. Same base, different behavior. This is the real power of Java Op. Today, we build it step by step and actually run it. We start with the blueprint, a class called BuildingPlan. It has two properties, number of stories, color. Now every building needs initial values, so we create a constructor. Whenever we create an object, this constructor automatically sets the stories and the color. Now we define common behavior. Every building will have total rent, calculates total rent. Owner name, prints owner. Area name, prints location. Building feature, default behavior. Right now, building feature just says basic building. Now we create child classes, building A, building B, building C. Each one uses extends BuildingPlan. This means they automatically inherit all properties and methods. No duplicate code, clean design. Now each building gets its own identity. Building A has store. Building B has garage. Building C has pool. These features exist only in child classes. Now the powerful part. Polymorphism. We override methods, building feature, owner name, area name. Same method names, but different behavior. So now, building A has store, building B has garage, building C has pool. Same method, different output. Now we move to the main class. This is where everything runs. We create objects like this. BuildingPlan, B1 equals new building A. Open parenthesis, 10, red, close parenthesis. BuildingPlan B2 equals new building B. Open parenthesis, 15, blue, close parenthesis. BuildingPlan B3 equals new building C. Open parenthesis, 20, white, close parenthesis. Notice something important. Parent reference, child object. This is runtime polymorphism. Now we call owner name, parens, area name, parens, total rent, parens, for each building, and call building feature. Let's look at the output. Building A, owner, Mr. Smith. Location, New York. Total rent, $10,000. Building B, owner, Mr. Tani. Location, Los Angeles. Total rent, $100,000. Building C, owner, Mr. RT. Location, DC. Total rent, $100,000. Then features, building A has store inside the building. Building B has big garage inside the building. Building C has swimming pool on rooftop. Perfect. Final summary. What did we just build? Class, arrow, blueprint, object, arrow, real building, constructor, arrow, initialization, inheritance to code reuse and add additional feature, polymorphism to change parent behavior. This is how real-world systems are designed: simple, powerful, and scalable.